Evyn.
Just give it to her. Don't even tell her. Just give it to her.
Here, Evyn, want to vlog?
You know what I mean? Amy.
Can you vlog for me?
Yeah.
It's a camera. You got videotape.
Be careful. Gentle with it.
And you got to point it where you want it to see. Because you can see it, right? It's in front of it.
That me. That me.
Right, with little Ugg slippers. I'm just vlogging Evyn all trip.
This is really cool.
You'll fall down.
He will fall down. Don't worry.
I'm gonna fall down.
We don't have enough band-aids, so she falls down.
No, don't fall down. Come down.
Come down.
The shoes are just like.
My shoes are there.
Come down, baby. Right now.
Yeah? You come up.
Come down.
You come up here. You come up here. The shoes are just.
Come down.
Come down, Uncle Mike.
Tell him.
Don't.
Get it, Evyn. Get
Rip
it.
from me.
Let's get pitch in the ocean.
Trying to rip it from my hands. She's running. Get her, Ellie.
So, like,
Yeah.
Come.
Oh,
Yeah, we're
these
coming.
spiders get me. I don't care myself.
Follow me.
We're coming.
Don't go up there.
Don't.
Supposedly they're parking. Big snakes that see
You'll fall right down.
If you had gym shoes on, you would join us?
You know what the cool thing about these rock snakes?
What?
If they get wet, they're not slippery.
Yeah. Yeah, like
Because
a
they're
lot,
kind of porous.
a lot of grip. Okay, really close. There you go. He's dipping up by you.
Is he?
Yeah. He's like in here. He's right here.
Come on.
You coming out?
I scared him kind of back up here, but nah.
Let's go, Evyn. Just hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Come on, hold your hand.
Don't let God's help him.
Do you see a resemblance of me and my daughter? This is me and my daughter.
I'm a lollipop.
She definitely could be my daughter, though.
I'm a lollipop.
You guys look similar.
Looking friendly little island cats.
He's actually really soft.
Maybe he was actually orange. He just ran.
I'm betting now he's gonna follow us.
She's like, here I am.
Very nice.
Oh, he's so cute.
He's so cute. All right.
No.
You touch him. There you go. He's a soft. He is actually really soft.
Oh, don't cut down like that.
He is pretty soft though for a stray cat.
He's not mangled
You just
either.
gotta tell his dad nice.
Did he come to you, or he was just laying here?
No, he was laying over there. I called him and he came.
Come on.
He was up there.
You never do it.
I'll go up there right now if you freaking tell me not to.
I'll boost you up.
I'll help you up too. Here, boost her up, and I'll get by myself.
It's too high.
It is really high. He's gonna boost her.
Not too high.
Are we allowed to?
It's
Should be all right. You recording?
No! Sit down! No! Please! No!
You're okay.
You'll be alright. You want a foot? You put a foot on here.
Come down! Come down, baby!
Come here.
Keep going. Go on.
This is prison.
Anley, no, put your foot right there. And then have your dad lift it.
Don't tell me what to do.
And then
You're gonna grab the hook up top too.
Don't tell me what to do, Evyn.
Now climb with your feet.
Oh, we got it. Touch your leg. Don't scrape your leg. Don't scrape
you're
your
gonna
leg.
scrape your leg. It's alright.
Getting down is gonna be tough.
Go bottom of it? You make it go. There you go.
Fine, yeah. Give a little pose.
That's the end of the road. We go this way. We go in here. We're going in there.
No,
No what?
you
Yeah, like we're gonna get drinks and shit. I'm thirsty.
be up there.
My mom's in there. I think they came to the other side.
Let's go. Let's go, Evie.
I need some water in it. We really did. We did the
Evan's point of view.
We did the calories.
Here's Evan's point of view.
Hello, Mason.
Coming. Coming. Oh shit.
You almost fell.
Have fun, Evan? You have fun or no?
The door is open.
Come on.
Yep, the door is finally open.
No more dashes.
Are we allowed up here?
Yeah. Oh, this is cool. This is dope. This is a really nice view. Let's see how this looks. I can see if I was here with Steve right now, I'd be like, hey, like, where should we get up? He'd be like, huh? I'd be like, where should we try to get up? It's like,
Can you imagine the fine?
I don't know if I'm down for that.
Can you
Huh?
imagine the fine for that?
Oh yeah, I wouldn't actually do it.